Good morning, students. Exercise 3.12, question number 5. Let me read the question. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular ground. This is a circular ground. On the boundary, this is a boundary. Anywhere, okay, we have to erect a pole. Diameter 20 meters in such a way that difference of its distance from the two diametrically opposite fixed gates P and Q on the boundary is 4 meters. Listen. Diametrically opposite. So this is diametrically opposite. Here a gate is there, P. Here another gate is there, Q. And here the pole is there. Pole, I can take it as A. A is for the pole. This pole has to be erected. And difference between the distances from these two gates, diametrically opposite gates is 4 meters it is given. Here the total length is 20 meters. This is center of the garden. Distance from the gate P to that pole is x meters. We take like that. Then distance between this gate Q and this pole P is y meters. We take. So what is given? The first given thing is the difference between these two distances is 4 meters. 4 meters. So from here we can take x is equal to 4 plus y. Let it be. X is equal to 4 plus y. Is it possible to do so? That's the question. Is it possible to do so? If answer is yes, at what distance from the two gates should be the poles be erected? Now listen. Understand the question clearly. Circular garden. This is a diameter. So at the ends of the diameters, two opposite points, we have two gates P and Q. Here anywhere on the boundary we have to erect a pole. Now for example I am taking here. You can take here also. Here, anywhere. So pole A is here. Distance between the pole A to the gate P is x, that we are assuming. And here it is y. That's also we are assuming it is as y. What is given? Difference between these two distances is x and y is 4 meters. So x minus y is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 plus y. 4 plus y. So is it possible to erect a pole like that? That is the question. If it is possible, what are the two distances from P to A and Q to A? Now you know that angle in a semicircle, this angle is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. This is a semicircle, right angle. Geometrical fact here we are using. So if it is a right angle, this becomes a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means automatically Pythagoras theorem, right? So given x minus y is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 plus y. Now I write angle PAQ. 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Therefore, we use Pythagoras theorem, that is PA square plus QA square is equal to PQ square. Opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse. This is the square of the hypotenuse. PA square x square y square is equal to 20 square. X square plus for this x you can now substitute 4 plus y. 4 plus y the whole square plus y square is equal to, this is 400. What is 4 plus y the whole square? We expand. 16 plus 8y a square plus 2ab 8y plus b square plus y square, another y square, 400. Y square plus y square, 2y square plus 8y. 16 minus 400 minus 384. 16 minus 400 minus 384. We can divide by 2. Y square plus 4y minus 192. Now we have to factorize. Minus 192, 4. Minus 192 product. Sum is 4. (16) and minus 12. Y plus 16, y minus 12 is equal to 0. Either y plus 16 is 0 or y minus 12 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 16, not possible. Y distance cannot be negative. So y is equal to 12. Therefore, if y is 12, what is x? X is equal to 4 plus y. 4 plus 12. X is equal to 16. So distance of the pole from gate P is 16 meters. Distance of the pole from gate Q. Therefore, from gate A is equal to 16 meters. Gate P, and from gate Q is equal to 12 meters. So the first question is it possible to erect like that? Is it possible to erect like that? Is that possible? How will we check if it is possible or not? X is 16 and y is 12. We just apply here. X square plus y square, if we are getting this 20 square, or x square plus y square is equal to 400, we are getting here. Okay. Whether it satisfies this Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square is 20 square. So here I write x square plus y square is equal to 16 square plus 12 square. What is 16 square plus 12 square? 256 plus 144 equal to 400. This is 20 square. So x square plus y square is 20 square. See, this is condition. X square plus y square is equal to 20 square. Correctly we are getting. Therefore, here you write one step. It is possible to erect. Possible to erect. And so the distance of the pole from gate P and gate Q. So like this. Right? Thank you.